Today I'll walk you through how to add column filters in Excel. This works the same way across Windows, Mac, and the web version. Start by clicking on any cell within your data range. Once you click, the cell gets a highlighted border, and Excel will automatically detect the entire data range around it. Next, click on the Data tab in the ribbon at the top of the screen. Now look for the Filter button. It's in the Sort and Filter group and has a funnel icon. Click it. As soon as you do, drop-down arrows will appear in each of your column headers. That's your confirmation that filtering is now enabled. Here are a few things to know once the filters are active. To actually filter data, click the drop-down arrow for whichever column you want to filter. Uncheck Select All to clear everything, then check the boxes next to only the data you want to see, and click OK. The spreadsheet will update to show only the rows that match your selection. You can apply filters to multiple columns by repeating this process for each column. The filters stack together. If you need to clear all filters and see the full dataset again, go back to the Data tab and click Clear in the Sort and Filter group. To toggle the filter arrows on and off completely, press Ctrl plus Shift plus L on your keyboard. The same shortcut also turns filters back on. That's how to add column filters in Excel.